Hello everyone, this is Sonia with Crafty Girl, and today I was sitting at my desk here and I was drawing and kind of doodling on some photographs from a magazine, and all I used was my Jelly Roll pen, my kind of worn out Sharpie pen, and sometimes I use this thinner Sharpie pen, and my scissors. And I did these, and this is all I used today. And I had a book that I got at the thrift store, and it was about different kinds of fences. But what really intrigued me were the colors. There's some fences, different kinds of fences. Oh, there's a horse looking through a fence. He probably wants to get out. Good fences make good neighbors. Oh, and here are two guys that are probably good neighbors because they have fences, maybe? I don't know. But what I found was a really nice colored photograph. And I'm going to show you what I did with these. So I took my big fat Sharpie pen and I'm just going to make some doodles here. I'm going to try to make a mushroom. If I could do this. I made flowers and I made some mushrooms and I made some doodly hearts. Now, I got my inspiration from Caroline on the hillside. She was doing something like this recently, so I kind of got this idea and I wanted to try to see how mine would turn out. So I just did that, and then I take my white Jelly Roll pen and I just kind of try to outline, make some highlights, because it makes it stand out better. Not great artistry work here, but and then try to make this look like a mushroom because I really love the black colors, the orange. Kind of a lopsided looking mushroom. So I'll go around like this. I think my Jelly Roll pen is kind of running out of ink. Seems to be. And just kind of make some dots around. This is just really fun and it's easy, and you cut them out and then you can use them as some decoration in your journals, journal pages, and just whatever you want. I'm just gonna make a scrappy looking flower here. See how this turns out. So you don't really need a whole lot of tools to make things like that. This is just things, a book I got at the thrift store, and you can find some wonderful books at the thrift store for pretty cheap, and you can use them in your crafts. Cut pictures out, draw on them, cut them out, do whatever you want. And then just take some pins like this, some jelly pins. And I'll show you when I cut these out. I can't really tell what the background was in the beginning. It looks really nice. with all the just kind of fussy cut these out. I'm just going to leave a border. I don't cut right on the edge, but I kind of leave kind of a border around it. And I just kind of fussy cut these flowers out. So nice to do in a kind of a cold, rainy day. Just sit inside and just do some crafting. Let's see how this turns out. I have to be careful not to smear this because I can kind of smear it accidentally before it actually dries. Okay. So here's my flower. I don't know if you can see that. And let me cut out my mushroom. Okay, they're just really quick to make and they look really cool. So here's my mushroom. It's kind of a funky looking mushroom, but I made those pretty quickly. Here's some other ones I made today. I made some flowers, some tulips, and some other kind of paper. Here's a heart. Some other hearts. This mushroom, probably the best one. That turned out the best. There's some other flowers. Some little, another heart. So I made all these in probably a short amount of time earlier. I just want to share that because it's so easy and you can put these in your stash for a project. And just using a few simple tools. So thanks for watching and don't remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.